In this video lesson, I will explain to you how to add gold on MT4 trading platform. When you open as a first step MetaTrader 4 like this, you will get a first chart that is available, and in my case, when I open the trading platform, you will see that the current USD CHF, you can see that in the left upper corner, is the symbol that is currently open. You will see a green lines which represents the price on the market, which represents also the bar chart, and it is here you can see the grid with the white dotted lines. On the left side you will see the symbols that are currently available, and this is the market watch window, and below that you will see a navigator window where is the list of all accounts that you currently have. First of all, if you would like to get information from the broker about the price for any symbol, even for gold, first of all you need to have your account. You can open demo account with any of the brokers, but if you would like to use the same one as I have, it is ICU Markets. The link will be below in the description where you can get the information how to open the demo account. Let's return back up. It is the market watch window. It is in the left corner where you can see all the symbols that are currently available. If you do not see this market watch window, you can simply go here in the quick access toolbar, and this green arrow and the red arrow that is pointing down, it is the option to activate or deactivate the market watch window, which consists of all symbols that are currently available. Now you maybe have the list of symbols that can be populated here with many of them. You can have them only one, or you can select which one you would like to have. Now to add a gold here inside the market watch window, so you can open the chart here on the right side, first you need to show a gold here in the market watch window. To do that, simply right click the mouse button, and here you have several options. First option that you should do is click the symbols option, which will show you which symbols are available with your broker. This list depends on your broker. Some brokers have more symbols, some of them have less. But to add some of other symbols, they are populated here in the folders. For example, you have a crypto 2, which are altcoins. Then you have a crypto, which is most used, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and so on. Then you have indices, futures, commodities. Then you have forex majors, minors, exotics, energies, for example, and you have bonds available. And then you have metals. Gold, which is commodity, is also a metal. So when you go here inside this list, you can see that you have a silver versus several of other currencies, but you have also gold versus other symbols. In this case, I will use gold against US dollar. In this case, we can see that gold against US dollar is the option which is currently grayed out. We can see that. So in this case, if you would like to see this symbol, simply click on it and click on the right here option show. When you click on it, you will see that here inside the symbol, inside the market watch, this symbol will be added, where you can see the bid and ask price. Now, if you would like to add more of these symbols, simply click on them and then click show. Okay. When you are done with this, simply click close. This is the first option how you can add gold against US dollar. If you would like to add all the symbols that are available with this broker, simply click right mouse button and click show all. When you click this one, you will see that all the symbols that are available will be populated here, and you need to find where the gold is located among all of these symbols that are available. Now you can see that some of them have different color, so you can see much easier to distinguish which symbols are which one. So for example, the gold is located here at the start because I have activated it first, but after that you have finished, you can simply click right mouse button and click hide all. This will remove all the symbols that are available, but it will be left only the one that is currently have the chart open, and this is USD CHF. Now if you would like to return back all the symbols, simply click show all. And in this case, you can see that the gold is not located here, but it will be somewhere below where all the metals are located together. Now here it is the silver, and here is the gold. When you put your mouse here, you'll see that the new small notification window will open which says gold versus US dollar. Now if you would like to have a chart here, you can click the right mouse button on the gold symbol, and then you can click the chart window. When you click on it, inside this area where the symbol and also the chart is, you'll see the list of symbols that are here, which chart you have, and simply change the symbol inside of these tabs. So for the gold, it is on a 1 hour time frame, and it is currently visible here on the chart. You can see in the upper left corner that the gold has been added as a chart on MetaTrader 4 platform. Now you can use what options and tools you have to analyze this chart. If you would like to change the background of this one, simply click right mouse button, click properties, and then select the color scheme. You can use the yellow on black, which is currently, but you can also use black on white, if that is the case you would like to have. You can see the dotted line here, which represents a grid. You can simply remove this grid by clicking the right mouse button, and then you have a grid here. Or you use the shortcut which is Ctrl+G. Then you can change the bar chart to candlesticks. You can do that, and then you can zoom in a little bit so you have the candlestick chart available. Now this is the way how to add gold against US dollar symbol on the MetaTrader 4. It's pretty easy, it's not very hard, and after that you can start using this symbol chart and make the analysis. If you have any questions regarding this lesson, feel free to leave a comment below, and that's all. See you in the next lesson. Happy trading!